12 cards with grades from 0 to 11 randomly divided among 3 players. Frank, Sam and Tom, 4 cards each. The game consists of 4 rounds. The goal of the round is to move by the card with the most points. In round 1, the first player who has a card with 0 points takes the first turn and he starts with that card. Then the second player can move with any of his cards. The third player makes his move after the second player and he sees the previous moves. The winner of the previous round then makes the first move in the next round with any remaining card. The player who wins 2 rounds first wins the game. Task: return true if Frank has a chance of winning the game. Return false if Frank has no chance. Input: 3 arrays of 4 unique numbers in each. Input is always valid, no need to check. Example: round 1, Frank 2, 5, 8, 11. Sam 1, 4, 7, 10. Tom 0, 3, 6, 9. Tom has to start from 0. Frank is risking nothing and goes 2. Sam gets lucky and wins round by throwing 4. Round 2, Frank 5, 8, 11. Sam 1, 7, 10. Tom 3, 6, 9. Sam starts from 1. Tom goes 3. Frank wins with 5. Round 3, Frank 8, 11. Sam 7, 10. Tom 6, 9. Frank starts from 11 and wins the round either way. Frank is the first to win 2 rounds and therefore wins the game. The answer is true. One more example. Frank 0, 1, 2, 3. Sam 6, 7, 8, 11. Tom 4, 5, 9, 10. With these cards, Frank has no chance. The answer is false. The code divides The code defines a function called solution that takes in 3 lists as arguments: Frank, Sam, and Tom. The function aims to see if Frank can select at least 2 numbers that are larger than every number in both Sam's and Tom's lists. The function uses a nested loop to compare each number in Frank's list with each number in Sam's and Tom's lists. If Frank's number is greater than both of the other numbers, then the function increments a count variable and sets the value of that number in Frank's list to 0 to avoid using it again. The function returns true if the count variable is greater than or equal to 2. After all comparisons have been made, indicating that Frank was able to select at least 2 numbers that were larger than every number in both Sam's and Tom's lists. The code then calls the solution function twice with different input lists and prints out the results.